new light came in. One thing that's nice about this one is it's got an internal, I guess not internal, external, but whatever. It's got a photo sensor already for it, so we don't have to wire in the other photo sensor that's on the pole. He's working on getting, I think we're gonna use these little solder connection guys again. Yeah. We'll get this wired together and then I'll be back whenever we're going to put it up. All right, just simple. Same as on the trailer. Using the little solder butt connectors, clicking them up. I'll get back to you whenever they're soldered. All right, soldered her up, put the little shrink wrap on it. Can't even really tell it's done. And then we left this, the other plug, wherever it went, right there. We left this undone so that we could get this part down the conduit. I wanted to say culvert. Yeah, so let's, you want to try now? Take it out, see if it'll work? Or you want to plug it in first?
Plug it in first. No, you can put this on.
I think it pushes in and twists.
Let's see. That'd be all right.
Yeah, as long as it's facing up. All right. And it should just come on with it flipped up like that.
Should come on for a few seconds and go off.
Well, the light, it's gonna go on because the light's on, or the sensors in shadow. Oh, okay, it works. All right, we'll be back in a second. We can go throw it up on a pole. All right, it worked. You should have saw the light come on and everything, but it's pretty straightforward. Just match wire color to wire color. But that's it for now. Another kind of filler video. Don't really have much going on. Had a couple guys come and look at the John Deere, but one of the guys kind of just, I don't know, disappeared. But yeah, I had to just switch it because it was still on the time lapse. It's gonna be funny, but yeah, we had a couple guys come look at the John Deere, but nobody's really serious right now. Nobody has any money. I'm gonna leave up the scaffolding for now in case it does burn out, because the last one we had only lasted 2 weeks, so yeah. But that's it for now. We don't have anything else to do.
No,
So,
give me a bag.
what, to cover the wire nuts? Yeah. Well, anyways, that's enough for this. See you next week.